taking a video?
Good evening, Food Spa. This is Zakir Nasir Sheikh, this side.
Bluetooth.
Right, so I am headed out to my destination for the day. About this place, it's apparently the largest luxury lounge in Asia. So that is something which excites me a lot. And a very close friend of mine, Zaka, seems to be an extremely regular person at this place. So he has recommended this place since a very long time. I was personally supposed to be here before the lockdown, but we all know how that went. So today is a fantastic day, as you can see in the background. Let's see how it goes. Right, so I have reached the destination. This is where it is. I cannot turn the camera, so what I'll do is I'll turn myself. It is located on the 10th floor. That is where it is. And yes, excited. Let's see how things will go inside.
Welcome, Food Spa.
Thank you. Thank you, Shubhadeep.
So once you come in, we have this social distancing measuring plate.
All right.
Once you move in, your temperature will be checked.
Okay. Temperature as well as sanitizing. Thank you.
And then you get your hands sanitized.
Thank you. What do we have here at the reception?
Yeah, then we have our health declaration form. Here
Okay.
you have to.
Can you just move it to the camera, please?
Yeah, sure.
So what are the details you're
Like
looking
we
for?
have the guest name, contact number, locality, and then temperature, any travel history, then age we are having.
All right. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Just to make sure you know what the age group and everything is
Absolutely.
maintained.
Since you're likely to get a lot of travelers, so that's
Travelers, yes,
absolutely
especially
recommended.
The area we're in, we have a lot of travelers and like this.
Great. Where do we start from?
Let's start from our members lounge. Okay, this is
After
the
you.
lodge area.
Okay.
This is our members only zone, and that's our cigar lounge.
Wow.
We have one of the best cigar collection in the city, from Cuban to Hawaiian.
Looks fantastic.
Also
Looks
you have
quite
a
an
city-
exclusive room.
It's an exclusive room. We have our members lockers as well, right there. So you can enjoy your own locker. You can keep your stuff in here. Cigars. It's a very secluded and private dining zone as well.
So this is a private poker room.
It's cards room, as we say. Area, or we also call it a lounge.
All right.
We have one of the longest bar. We have one of the longest bar. Let's see. Currently it's empty because
Of
of
course.
the COVID thing. And
Let's check out your celebrity
Celebrity Cabana. Right?
cabana. Yeah. This is one spot which has all my attention. It looks magnificent. I love the chandeliers.
Also the smart tables.
Show us the smart table once, please.
First of its kind in the city.
Okay.
Generally, we keep the soft drinks, glasses, water over here, so that you don't have to
refrigerated.
refrigerate it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is how it's done. You have your Bluetooth
Let's-
connectivity over here. You can connect your Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
So I'll get hold of another phone. I'll need the settings on. Yeah. So we'll
It will show T bar, right?
T-bar. All right. Bed.
Bluetooth connected.
So this is a tangy red floral. It's a recommended drink mounted on top of a ice bed. So this is a beetroot and some hibiscus on top. So this is the famous charcoal dim sums. This is a portion of Chongqing style prawn with cashew and chili. Portion of clay oven baked fish. This is the outside seating, where all the famous domes are, right?
Yes. This is a sky bar.
Okay.
Biggest sky bar. Night is closed. This
Okay.
particular room.
And that is your special.
That's the special party dome. Generally, once you book this, we also give you this whole area to
Okay.
chill. You know,
Okay. Great.
in case you want to come out.
So what all are included in this? There is a personal cooler. There is.
Personal cooler. There's a.
It's approximately a 12-seater, is it?
Well, we have 16-seater actually.
Okay. All right.
8.
It has more than one cooler, so that's amazing.
Want to go inside and see?
It's like a dungeon. So I have the yellow jar lemonade, which is a recommended item. Apparently this is the owner's favorite, so I had to order this. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to lift this up this way, and this goes by the side. You stir it a little bit, and then you're good to go. You would know I personally love lemonades. It's very refreshing. It goes with the amazing atmosphere right now, and the place is superb. So you can enjoy the view from here on top. Stunning plate of blueberry cheesecake. I haven't seen anything which looks prettier than this. Right then guys, so that was my experience at Club Phoenicia. Apart from the food, what I really liked about this place was of course the ambience as well as the service. And it was a great time shooting over here. To learn a little bit more about this place, we will have Zaka, who is a regular over here. So those will be the ending words. Until next time, this is Food Spa wrapping up from Club Phoenicia.
Good evening, Food Spa. This is Zaka Nasir Sheikh this side. Today I am here to share my experience about a place called Club Phoenicia. Club Phoenicia is one of the best places I've ever visited. It is one of the best lounge I've ever been to. When you talk about the menu designing, it is very diversified. Asian, continental and Indian foods. There is a lovely fusion over there, so there's something for everyone. When you talk about the technology and equipment, it is state of the art because giving you a small example, all the waiters are wearing a watch and all the tables have a bell. So you can call them at any moment and they will be there at your beck and call. And when we talk about the spacious interiors and everything, it's right up there. It's top drawer stuff. It's huge. It's ginormous in size. And the highlight of that place is the domes. I personally love it because I have always tried to get a place there because it's a very private scene and nobody is going to be disturbing you. It's a dome outside, the penthouse way, and it has a table with refrigeration, music system, and there is a lot of drinks which is there. So all you need to do is just play your music and have your own gala time. So now that the scene is improving by the day, I hope you all visit there. Yeah. So until then, ciao and take care. Bye.